Hello friends, welcome to ActionScript video tutorial series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand operators in ActionScript. In the previous video tutorials, we have already discussed logical operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, and conditional operator. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss increment and decrement operators in ActionScript. Increment and decrement operators are used to increment or decrement a variable value by 1. They are used to increment or decrement a variable value by 1. Pair of plus symbols indicate increment operator, whereas pair of minus symbols indicate decrement operator in ActionScript. Increment operator is used to increment a variable value by 1. Whereas decrement operator is used to decrement a variable value by 1. There are two kinds of increment, post increment and pre-increment. There are two kinds of decrement, post decrement and pre-decrement. Post increment means if we suffix a variable name by increment operator. If we suffix means postfix a variable name by increment operator, it is considered as post increment. Similarly, if we prefix a variable name by increment operator, it is considered as pre-increment. Post decrement. If we suffix a variable name by decrement operator, it is considered as post decrement. If we prefix a variable name, by decrement operator, it is considered as pre-decrement. You can see here, increment and decrement operators are accepting only one operand. They are working on only one operand. Hence, you can consider them as unary operators. We know that unary operators accept only one operand. Let's have a demonstration and understand how we can increment a variable value by 1 or how we can decrement a variable value by 1 by using the increment and decrement operators. Let me go to Adobe Flash. You can see that I have already launched the Adobe Flash IDE. I create a new ActionScript 3.0 file by clicking on ActionScript 3.0. You can see that the new file created. I go to timeline, click on the first frame, go to window menu, click on actions to get the actions window. You can see that we got the actions window. Here I create one variable called as a of type integer and I put the value inside 10. We can display the value of a by saying trace. In double quotations, I say a equal to comma a bracket close semicolon. What output we get here? We get a equal to 10 displayed on the screen. If I hit Control Enter in the output window, you see a equal to 10 got displayed. Now I want to increment the value of a by 1. All I need is I need to say a plus plus semicolon and then I display the value of a equal to comma a bracket close semicolon. What output we get here? We get the output a equal to 11. On this line the value of a is going to be incremented by 1. If I hit Control Enter, you see a equal to 11 got displayed. You can see that we are suffixing a variable name by the increment operator. What is this? This is post increment, right? Now what I do, I comment this code. I am just going to comment complete code / */ I create one more time a variable a of type integer. I say 10 there. Then I display the value of a, copy that line of code, paste here. Now if I hit Control Enter, you see a equal to 10 got displayed there, right? And then I say plus plus a semicolon and display the value of a on the screen. What output we get on this line? We get a equal to 11. Plus plus a is going to increment the value of a by 1. So previously it is 10, it's going to become here 11, displays a equal to 11. If I hit Control Enter, you see that a equal to 11 is displayed. If you observe carefully both these codes, both the places we are getting same output, a equal to 10, a equal to 10, a equal to 11, a equal to 11. Then what is the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a? This is actually pre-increment, right? We are prefixing the variable name by increment operator. both the places the value of A is incremented by 1, then what is the difference between post increment and pre-increment? I discuss it little bit later. Okay, at present you just need to remember that plus plus A or A plus plus, they both increment the value of a variable by 1 star forward slash. Now everything is comment again. If I hit Control Enter, we don't see any output, right? Because no code is there for execution. Now I create one more a variable A of type integer. I put the value 10 inside it and I display the value of A by using this line of code. Control Enter. What output we get here? We get A equal to 10. If I hit Control Enter, you see A equal to 10 got displayed there. Now I say A minus minus semicolon to decrement the variable value by 1. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down. What output we get here? We get here the value of A will be 9. So here the value of A is 10. It is going to be decremented by 1. So it is going to become 9. And we get here output A equal to 9. If I hit Control Enter, you see that A equal to 9 got displayed. This is post decrement. You can see that we are suffixing a variable name by decrement operator. Now I comment this code /* no code for execution. If I hit Control Enter, we don't see any output. Now what I do, I create again a variable A of type integer, assign a value 10 to it and display the value of A. I copy this line of code, paste down. What output we get here? We get A equal to 10. If I hit Control Enter, you see that we are getting the output A equal to 10. This time I say minus minus A semicolon. This is pre-decrement. Again I display the value of A, Control V. What output we get? We get A equal to 9. This is going to be decrement the value of A by 1. If I hit Control Enter, you see we are getting A equal to 9 displayed there. If you observe carefully both of these codes, here also we are getting A equal to 10, here also we are getting A equal to 10, here also we are getting A equal to 9, here also we are getting A equal to 9. Then what is the difference between post decrement and pre-decrement, right? There is a difference. Definitely there is a difference between post decrement and pre-decrement. We are going to discuss that in the next video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I hope you guys have clearly understood that increment operator is used to increment a variable value by 1. Decrement operator is used to decrement a variable value by 1. In the next video tutorial, we discuss what is the difference between post increment and pre-increment. What is the difference between post decrement and pre-decrement. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video carefully, understand everything. In the next video tutorial, we get more information. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.